Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining us on this July 2nd, 2022 Digital Gold AMA. My name is Dale Johnston. I'm joined with Reggie and the well. Um, we're here to give you a little bit of presentation and an update on the current state of the digital gold token. Um, we've been working hard behind the scenes on the digital gold paper. That's coming along nicely, and we should have that done soon. We've put together a basic outline so that we can give everybody uh, some updates on what's going on. Things are becoming a little bit more concrete. We are really starting to put together a great team and a great product, and I'm happy that I can share it with everybody here today. Um, Before we get started, just basically want to talk about the general state of crypto. Um, as everybody knows, we're currently in a bear market. Um, are we at a bottom? No one ever knows. It could get worse. Unfortunately, I don't think anybody sees it getting better anytime soon. But, you know, that's probably the best time for anybody to really get into crypto, anyways, is when it's a bear market. Nobody ever makes money FOMOing into crypto. So it's always better to start when it's in a bear market, but it just never feels like the right time. But um, you know, it will bounce back. It may take a little longer because the macroeconomic environment right now of with the US stock market and the world economy as a whole is definitely in a spot we haven't seen in a very long time. Um, so this is going to kind of be crypto's chance to show what it's made of. Crypto's never uh, been without inflated money supply. So all the money the U.S. has dumped into the economy has really helped crypto as a whole. So this is, crypto's first chance to really show what it's made of, and we'll see what happens. Um, Us here as a team, the bear market actually for us, we're not mad at it. It's given us the ability to really look at our project under a microscope and really work on turning it into the best product it could be. And we're happy about that here. The spotlight is off right now, let's say, because we're not in a bull market, and we're able to sit here and really work on uh, giving the community the best product we can before we inevitably hand it over to the community. But we're still building. We're in a little bit different situation. You see all these companies around us crumbling. That's not going to happen here. We're structured a little bit different, and maybe it's a really good thing for us the way we are structured in this current market. Overall, we're not going anywhere. So we're going to continue to build, and we're going to be ready for when crypto comes back. Currently, our token giveaway is still underway. Anybody who wants to follow us on Twitter and be one of the first 1,000 followers to follow us and DM us your Cardano address for your wallet, we will gladly send you 1,000 tokens. Our giveaway started off on fire. It was, at the beginning of the bear market, and everything was going great, but the participation rate has actually dropped and followed the market. The state of the market has actually affected our token giveaway. So we're just about halfway through it. There's still about 550 openings. So if you're one of the people who haven't got your tokens yet, head over to our Twitter account and pick yourself up some tokens. The digital gold white paper, which we call the gold paper, is still under production. It's really coming along nicely. I'm actually excited to share some of the key aspects that we've been working on with the gold paper with you guys here today. So we'll do that in a couple moments. But just as a whole, the gold paper is coming along nicely. We have really defined some of our key value propositions for the token, and it's really developed into something quite nice. Um, what is the digital gold token? Well, the digital gold token is a better Bitcoin to say it short in the short way. To say it in the long way, it's a energy efficient store of value um, that has a community around it. It has two other tokens that it works with, and as a whole, digital gold is it's just a better Bitcoin, a smart programmable Bitcoin on the Cardano blockchain. For the value proposition, digital gold is an energy efficient replacement for Bitcoin on the Cardano blockchain. Digital gold holders who procure mining permits will also be able to mine digital silver every epoch. Holders of both digital gold, digital silver, who possess one of these mining permits will also be able to start mining digital silver and earning rewards of digital diamonds. Digital diamonds rewards will be tier based. You'll have a certain amount of digital gold and a certain amount of digital silver, and that will show that will be what calculates your rewards. We'll be releasing in the future a couple graphs to show exactly what the payments will be every epoch for mining digital silver and earning rewards on digital diamonds. We're going to be working on a Digiverse application. It's definitely going to be something that happens out in the future a little bit, but to touch on it now, it's going to be a dashboard interface that'll allow you to get into social media. It'll allow you to get into anything in your economic needs. You'll be able to go in there and do a wallet. There'll be banking and lending. There'll be all different types of features that allow you to do different things. You'll be able to tie into your play to earn video games in the metaverse. Governance, the governance of the token, that's actually one aspect that's still being worked on. But the basic framework of that is, in the near future, we're going to create a DAO, and we'll let the community guide the future of digital gold, digital silver, and digital diamonds. And last but not least, the last value proposition is charity. We're going to be raising money for different charities, different green projects. Hopefully we can do our part to make the world a better place. Virtual mining, to give a little bit clearer idea of what we're trying to do here. Any digital gold holder who holds digital gold, a minimum of 100 digital gold tokens in their wallet, will have the capability to purchase an NFT that will give them a mining permit, and then they'll start to accrue digital silver every epoch. Now, once certain thresholds get met, let's say there's 100 digital gold in your wallet, and now you have 1,000 digital silver, you'll start to accrue digital diamonds rewards every epoch also. Now, digital gold, there's 21 million tokens. Digital silver, there's 21 billion tokens. And digital diamonds has 999,000 tokens. The thought is, this ecosystem will work together where it's, only people who are holding digital gold will be able to mine digital silver and earn rewards. Most of it is not going to be out on the market for people to buy at first. So it's going to be a very rare circulating supply and a very rare token in general for the digital diamonds. The digital silver will be used throughout the ecosystem, more as a transactional token. But it'll definitely probably be the main workhorse of the ecosystem. And then digital gold is the governance token over the whole entire ecosystem, and it's also the main catalyst for doing any of the virtual mining or things like that. Not too far in the future here, we're also going to start putting together a community council. Now, what the community council will be is it's going to be like the civilian counterpart to us here at the Digital Gold Foundation. Obviously, we can't hear, thousands and thousands of voices. So as the community starts to grow, the community will elect community council members who will then they'll be the ones who receive the ideas from the community and then be able to relay that information over to us at the Digital Gold Foundation. On that note, let me ask Lowell or Reggie, do you guys have anything you want to add to anything I just said?
Lowell, we'll let you go first.
Yeah, hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Lowell, and it's nice to have you all join us today in the community update meeting, community update call, which it basically happens every first Saturday of every month. And today happens to be the first Saturday of July, right? So, they'll have actually said almost all of it. And, just to add up to the explanation and the updates they'll have shared, the giveaway is still live. We are a little bit above 50% tokens given away, and what is it called? I'm trying to look at the outline here, guys. Sorry. Now basically we are having a three-tiered ecosystem, a three-token ecosystem. Owing to the fact that for now 50%, or let me say 75% of the team is residing around the jurisdiction of the United States, and the heart of the project is very much around the United States. So we are trying to have a project that is very much compliant with the legal system of the state. So most of the information, most of the proceedings of the project would have to really follow the legal compliance aspect of the United States. So we have very much information to share, but we are very much waiting to see what direction the law has to take. We have to build something that will be away from the SEC, and other law enforcement agency that has to deal with financial platforms and project like ours. So, we are really doing much behind the scene, but we cannot say much until we have a very good direction in regards to the legal, to what is legally allowed, what legally Digital Gold as a project can do. So we very much appreciate the support and the backing we are having from our community, and we ask you all to really continue what you do. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks.
Thank you, Lowell. Reggie, do you want to add anything?
Well, thanks. Hey, Dale, appreciate that. And once again, everyone, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. For those in the U.S., hey, happy forthcoming 4th of July. Please have a great celebration, but stay safe. Hey, folks, once again, thanks for your support. Greatly appreciate it. In the end, understand that, the team here is really focused on building a healthy ecosystem that brings value to our tokens by providing utility to the Cardano ecosystem, and hopefully crypto at large, by providing a product that allows people to enter into the crypto space easier. And for all of us that are here, we understand that entering into crypto can be daunting at times. You definitely need someone to sit down and kind of hold your hand and walk you through that process, whether it's buying your initial bag of crypto to staking or even swapping various coins between each other. We hope to provide a product to Cardano and hopefully all of crypto that allows us to do that in a much easier way that will help the onslaught of new crypto investors that will enter into this space in the future be able to do it easier. So that is what we're focused on day and night. Once again, we're a small team, but we're a tight team and we're focused. And we really do look forward to working with the community. Hopefully, when we're said and done, as Dale mentioned earlier, we'll have a product that everyone is proud of. With guidance from the community, we'll make this thing grow. And this will be a very successful project. And so once again, I just really appreciate you guys being here. I enjoy working with these guys. They're fantastic. I got to let you know. As you can hear, we're from around the world. And so everyone that is part of this community, is from around the world. And so we need your voice. Please make sure you're communicating with us. For now, you can communicate directly to us. And then as we stand up the community governance boards, you'll be able to, reach out to people, hopefully within your region, to bring it into the core team. But hey, the door is always open for new ideas. So thank you once again, and please have a safe Saturday and Sunday. Dale,
All right,
Dale,
guys.
back to you, sir.
Yeah, on that note, thank you everybody for coming. Thank you, Sarah Brown, for your comic relief. And we'll talk to everybody soon.
All right, take care, team. We'll see you. Thanks, everyone. Ciao.
Thanks, guys.